He opened, owned, operated, and sold an assisted living facility. It's Dr. Robert King, founder of Assisted Living University, with more than 1,000 students.
Now you're saying, you know what, hold up, I want to change to it. Hey guys, how you doing? This is Robert King, owner of Harmony Homes and founder of ALU, Assisted Living University. And oh my God, am I excited to share with you today this little tips training. You know, every week I shoot out what I call tips, training, and techniques on assisted living ownership. How you can get in your facility, rock that baby, be successful, do a great job in the community, and have a great lifestyle for yourself. So today, I'm going to talk about the tour. So, because several of my students were having their first tour, I thought today I'll do a video for you on tours, how to prepare for your first tour. Tour simply means you have a potential resident that wants to move into your facility. So their family members, daughters, sons, son-in-law, sister-in-law, whoever who's representing them will come by your place, check your place out, and see if your place is good enough for their mom. But right now, I want you to focus on the impression, you know, creating that impression, that first impression about your house for Elizabeth, their mom. So my last and final step here in today's teaching is follow up. Follow up is important. Make sure you get all the pertinent information for the decision maker. Who is the decision maker? Who can make the decision that mom is coming, that Elizabeth is coming to Mango House? Who can make the decision? Once you get that information from them, a name, an email, an address, you follow up. I'm talking about follow up. There's fortune in the follow up. You make that phone call. 24 hours later, you make that phone call. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? This is Omar. I'm calling you from the Mango House. We had a great tour the other day. So listen, tell me, what can I do to earn your business? And then be quiet. Ask the question. He who speaks first lose. So when they speak first, and then, watch this now, when they speak first, that means they've lost, which meaning they coming to your side. Does that make sense? If you speak first, then you lost and they going somewhere else. So just ask the question, what can I do to earn your business? What can I do to have Elizabeth come here and stay with us and let us take care of her? What can we do? Ask that question. Follow up with a thank you note if you get a physical address from them, handwritten. Follow up with an email. Follow up. Do not forget to follow up. You follow up 24 hours later, and then every 24 hours or so, you make that phone call. Continue to pursue a lead until a lead is no longer a lead. Until they tell you they made a decision to go somewhere else, it's no longer a lead. If they keep telling you they're thinking about it, they're looking at other places, that's still a lead. You keep following up. That's a whole different subject. That's a whole different teaching. I'll teach you that one day. But all right, here we go. That was the tour. Remember, let me summarize it real quick. We're talking about the 5 senses. How many senses is it? 5? What was it? The see, the hear, the smell, the touch, the taste. All right, we hit 3 of the 5, right? Soon as they walk on, as soon as they turn the corner, boom, curb appeal. Your place looking tight. All right. Next step, boom. Front door looking good. All painted up, looking all good. You got some music playing in the background. Little jazz going on. Little violin, little saxophone. So now you got them jazzing to the music. Boom. They ring that doorbell. Ding dong. Open the door. Boom. They get hit by that sweet potato pie. That's sticking with them, sticking in their head. It's sticking in their mind. Then they go tour. No pressure. No pressure tour. They just hearing what mom, Elizabeth can do this, and Elizabeth can do this, and Elizabeth can do that. And my premier concierge treatment does this, that. And then they rocking it out like that, and then they following up. Then you asking them questions about Elizabeth. Don't forget that. You're asking the right questions. And then you're not discussing money, no pressure. And then last but not least, you're following up. All right, I normally close by saying I hope that bless you, but I know that bless you. If you're in that process and you're at that stage where you are looking to open your facility and you're preparing for tours, check this out. That'll help you. Now, at the end of this video is an actual tour that I did of an upcoming facility. And if you're in a position and you're ready to really start going deep and you're serious and you ready to reap the same results that my other students have reached, then you need to come to ALU, Assisted Living University. So go to alfownership.com.
Are you ready to turn your passion for senior care into a thriving business? Introducing Assisted Living University, the premier course designed to guide you through every step of opening and operating your own successful assisted living facility. Join the team of more than 1,000 students who have transformed their dreams into reality. And if you already own an assisted living facility and want to maximize your occupancy, our Fill My House course is designed specifically for you. Dr. Robert King will share advanced techniques and proven strategies to attract and retain residents and fill your house. Let's create a brighter future for our senior community. Enroll in Assisted Living University and Fill My House today, and become part of our growing network of successful assisted living entrepreneurs. Join now.
Hey guys, how you doing? This is Robert King, owner of Harmony Homes Residential Assisted Living Facility and founder of ALU Assisted Living University. And today I'm so excited because I'm here in this undisclosed location. I can't tell you where I'm at yet, but I'm at one of my clients' house. I do have a coaching program. It's called the ALF Opener, where I show people how to open, own, and operate their own assisted living facility in their residence. So one of my clients took my advice and literally bought this home for the sole purpose of opening up an ALF. So I'm going to walk through here and I'm going to talk to you kind of informal and show you what you should be looking at when you're considering a piece of property. You know, I'm going to teach you how to literally become an ALF opener spotter. So when you walk in the house, you'll be able to see the needs immediately. So we'll start right here at the front door. One of the first things that I always tell my clients is that you got to have ramps. You got to have a ramp because the elderly needs to be able to get up on a ramp. So we'll order a ramp. Now let's go ahead and check the inside of this house out. This is absolutely amazing. Go ahead and look around there, Leah. Check out the house. This is a big open floor plan. You got the living room area right here. You have the kitchen right there that serves as a good spot where they could actually literally cooking and seeing their residents at the same exact time. And so we're just going to kind of like a little tour. So this is a really big open plan. That door out there leads out to the backyard area, which is going to be, you know, they got a screen porch. A porch they're going to screen in eventually. But right now, this house is brand new, built in 2015. Nobody has ever lived in it, but it's now about to be a residential assisted living facility. Let's go over here and check out this incredible kitchen. One of the things that I immediately look at as an ALF opener is the openness, because I got to remember, while I'm in here taking care of the kitchen, my residents are close by. So I got a little eatery over here, just in case, you know, one of the residents is sitting over here snacking or something like that. But then I have access, I have sight line all the way to the living room, to the formal area, so I can see them sitting there. They're watching TV. So cause obviously, would you put the camera toward that wall there, Leah? Obviously, that wall right there will serve where the TV will go. So that's the general spot where everybody will come and hang out at, right there where that TV wall is. And one of the things that you got to have for inspection purposes for ACA is you got to have a place for your medication that locks. I love these kind of pantries because they can serve as a place for medication, and you can get a lock put on there and bam. Now you have your medication system. Now you can set it up, and I'm going to show you, especially at the Assisted Living University, my personal system. My pantry was just like this, and we literally turned it into our med system approved by ACA. Now, I want to show you something else too about this kitchen that I like. You know, you have obviously your stove and stuff, but in this area you have your sink, and then you also have your dishwasher. And that's important because state looks for that. They want to see that you have a sink and then a dishwasher. They got some rules and regulations when it comes to that. More than enough counter space to take care of your residents. More than enough cabinet spaces. And again, everything in here is brand new. Now, I love this right here. I love these. This house is just amazing. Look at this. This is like what they call that, a barn door or some barn door thing. I mean, they really built this baby. And look at this. This looks really nice. Now check this out. This is right offside the kitchen. This is actually the laundry room. So this is a full laundry room, washer, dryer, has a sink and the whole 9 yards. So this is where you're going to be. Remember now, you're taking care of your residents' clothing as well. So this is where you're going to be having your washing schedule, the whole 9 yards. This is a really good room, really good space. And it's like right off the garage. So when you bring in your groceries and things like that, you're right there by the kitchen. So you're right off the garage. You're right here by the laundry room, not too far from where the residents are. That's really, really, really good. Now, it's a split plan. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. So we're going to go over here to the master bedroom first and check that out. Let's go check the master bedroom out. Remember, you're looking at this thing as in the eyes of an ALF opener. So you want to see what it looks like. Oh, I didn't tell you. I'm sorry. Shoot down at the floor. Absolutely perfect. This is that tile wood look floor throughout the main part of the house. They do have carpet in the bedrooms, and we're going to address that and turning that into tile because it's a lot easier for the residents to get around with their tile versus carpet when it comes to their wheelchairs and things of that nature. But that doesn't mean that you cannot buy a house that already has carpet. It just means that you may have to make a change. You're probably going to have to make a change and put some type of tile or inexpensive laminate down there on the floors. But you don't have to do it before to get approved. You do not have to have that to be approved by OCA here in the state of Florida. So let's go ahead and check this out. This is the master bedroom. Pretty large size master bedroom. In the state of Florida, no matter how big your room is, they'll only allow you to have 2 residents per room. So in these rooms, because it's a 4 bedroom, we're going for business model 4, 2 residents as a residential assisted living facility in each room. So that gives us the opportunity to have 8 residents in this house. I just love this floor plan. And then this master bath is just absolutely ridiculous. The most important things you look for in your master bathroom or any bathroom is the ability for your residents to be able to get in and out with less trouble. So yes, you have a bathtub. You're going to have some residents that actually will be using the bathtub. So, you're going to have, those residents are going to have to be able to step up to get in the bathtub. Because this is not an ALF yet, we don't have any bars on here yet. When that time comes, we'll put them in. You have a really nice size shower so they can get in and have a lot of room in there. You'll have a shower chair. You'll put some bars in there. And so this thing is ready right now to be occupied as an ALF. And then they have their own toilet room where they can go in, use the bathroom. This is a really, really nice place they have here. This is really, really nice. So let's keep going on and go check out the other bedrooms. Now remember, that's bedroom 1. There's 3 more bedrooms. And I like the way they split floor plan. So now we're going on to the other side of the house. So if you were considering an adult family care, I don't want to confuse you, but if you were considering opening an adult family care license for 5 that require you to live in the home, perfect floor plan, because you can live on that side of the house, you and your family, but then you can have your business on this side of the house. Ooh, that's a good plan. But here we go. Check it out. AFL. Go here and check it out. Now we got tile. Remember, central area, we got a tile. A half bath. That's great. Because then you're going to have residents that reside in the bedroom right across from it that can use this for their regular routines for washing up, things of that nature. Let's go to bedroom 1. Now, of course, the camera lighting is going to change when we go in here because it's a little bit darker, but this is bedroom 1. And the state requires you to have a certain size bedroom in order for you to use it as an assisted living facility. And we've already done the measurements. This bedroom is good enough for 2 residents. So now, so far, what have we seen? We've seen 2 residents in the master, 2 residents in bedroom 1. That's 4. We halfway there. Let's go over here. Check it out. Bedroom number 2. Again, large enough for you to put your beds in here. 2 twin beds, size 36 by 72. And the state, again, would allow you to put 2. So now we've seen 3 bedrooms, right? Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and the master. We're up to 6 residents. But now check this one out. This baby has a Jack and Jill bathroom. Absolutely amazing. Simply means whoever resides in bedroom number 2 have access to this bathroom. Got the little pocket doors right here. Got the little pocket doors so you can, boom, close the little door right there. So when they get up in the morning, they got access to the sink. Wash their face. They can step a little bit further over here and they have access to the shower and the tub and to the toilet. Those are the residents that's on that side. Keep coming through. Bedroom number 4 is connected to the Jack and Jill. So these people, these 2 residents have access to this sink right here. And if they need to, for privacy purposes, they can close the door. Bingo. Also, they have the ability to come from here right into this bedroom. I'm sorry, this bathroom here. So it's 1 bathroom, basically they're servicing 2 bedrooms, which is 4 residents. So now we're in bedroom number 4. 2 more residents. So now we have seen all 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and we're looking at 8 residents here in the state of Florida. Let's go back out again. Tile in the common area. And we're bagging our way out. This is absolutely amazing floor plan. Got your tile right here in the common areas. We bag our way back out. Remember now, we're going back to the other side, back to the common area. All the rooms are big enough. All the doors are wide enough. Everything is perfect. Open floor plan. This, ladies and gentlemen, is literally the perfect spot. So for those of you who are ALF future owners, I just wanted to shoot this video to you to let you know you can do this, baby. You can do this. Don't be concerned right now about, so you're going to start sending me all these messages and email. What about a house? What about if I don't have the money, if I can't get the house? There's a ton of landlords out there that has properties that are not being used, that are looking for somebody to take advantage of those properties and get them some type of rents. You'll learn that at the Assisted Living University. Hey, listen, thank you. I appreciate your time. I look forward to talking to you again next week. How they said, same bat channel, same bat time, something like that. I don't know. All right, I'm out of here. See you next week.